What's going on, guys? Something serious. Today I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to use support small business on your Instagram story. Let's get right into the video. So the first thing you have to do is you have to open Instagram. After you open your Instagram, you're gonna click to the plus button. After you do that, you're just gonna make a post or create a post. I'm gonna use one of the pictures I want. Like if I want this one, I'm just gonna click it, and after that you're gonna click to the sticker icon up the top, and you're gonna click here, the first one. You're gonna click support a small business. You're gonna click on that one, and if you have a small like business account, you can add your business account, or if you don't have a business account, just you can't use other people's accounts. I mean, you can put other people's name right here. I'm gonna choose him, and he's a musician. I'm just gonna randomly choose to show you guys, and after that you're just gonna click send to, share, done. After that I'm gonna show you right now. It's uploading. It's already uploaded. You can see, guys, I do it. It's easy to do it. If I want like support him, just gonna click on that, and it works 100%. And if this works for you guys, let me know in the comment section, and if this helped you out, please consider leaving a like and subscribing, and peace.